So the puppies have been practicing stacking, which may not be the greatest right now because they've been asleep. Here. This is green colored boy. Good puppy, 6 weeks old. And he took the whole piece of cheese. You stinker. Come here. Good boy. Good boy. Hi, boy. Yay. Alright, who's next? Pink girl. Little Miss Short Tail. She does have a tail. It's got a bunch of vertebrae in it. But unfortunately, it's just a wee thing. Here, girl. Here. You stand up. Jeez. Yummy. They just had suppers, and they've gone down for naps. So standing is not high on the priority for Cheese, but good girl. Good girl. Good. Let me practice stacking. Here's her tail. She's a real athlete. It's a shame about your little tail, honey. But she doesn't care. Good girl. Alright. Who's underfoot here? Who do we have here? Oh, you have no collar on. This is Orange Girl. Alright, Sleeping Beauty. Good. That's a good girl. Aren't you pretty girl? This one is a Sherman tank. She's got just a ton of front. Really big fill. Pretty girl. Her neck's longer than it looks. She's got the most hair. Good girl. Okay. Where do the other guys go? There's one sleeping back here. Come here, you. Oh, handsome Mr. Turquoise. Cheese. That popping sound is supper cooking. You can probably hear the lawnmower outside from a neighbor. Aren't you a handsome boy? Mr. Turquoise? Good job. Good boy. Alright, who do we have left? Blue, where'd he go?
Right here.
Pretty big kitchen, and they're spread out all over it. Sorry about this. Here's 2 sleepers. Alright. Mr. Blue, you need to wake up. Wake up, buddy. Cheese. Got some cheese? Good boy. Oh. He's like Jello. Wakey, wakey. Cheese? There you go. Good boy. I just got the towel in front of him so they can... Good sleeping boy. Poor man. Like that. Good job. Yes, nice boy. Good job. I should have woke you up first. I know. Alright, and quick scoop up Tangerine, who is sound asleep under the camera there. Wake up, goody friend. Why? This usually goes better when they're awake. Okay. Cheese? Hi. Hi, sweetheart. And I do this with them every day. Usually not asleep. Good girl, Miss Tangerine. You are a lovely girl. Good girl. Not bad for sleeping babies, huh? Good job. Good job. Good. Yes. There you go, sweetheart. Good. Good job. And these are the 6-week-old practicing stuff. Good girl. All done.